Welcome to the next level of workplace efficiency. Meet Microsoft Copilot, your new AI sidekick. Operating around the clock, Copilot is here to transform how we work, making every task smoother and faster. From deep data analysis to instantly visualizing results, Copilot handles it seamlessly, providing actionable insights when you need them the most. Preparing for meetings? Watch Copilot automatically create presentations that captivate and inform your audience. And say goodbye to email overload. Copilot filters, organizes, and prioritizes your communication, helping you clean up your inbox effortlessly. We can help you implement Copilot into your business to help you step into the future, unlock new opportunities, and elevate your team's performance today.